Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the videos useful, please subscribe to the channel. So in this video, we will rationalize the denominator of this expression. Now the idea behind rationalizing the denominator of this expression is to get rid of the square root in the denominator. Now this denominator is made up of a mixed radical term. So there is this whole coefficient 2 and then there is this radical part square root of 2. So in this term, the 2 is not a problem because that's the whole number. So we just have to get rid of the radical or the square root on this other 2. So we do that by multiplying the numerator and the denominator of this fraction by square root of 2. So the reason we do that is because square root of 2 times square root of 2 is just 2. So as a result, the radical or the square root in the denominator goes away. So in the next step, we can write the square root of 2 and then parentheses. So we'll put these numerator terms in the parentheses. So 3 square root of 5 minus square root of 2 over. Now in the denominator, we can multiply the square root 2 terms. So square root of 2 times square root of 2, so I can show you the steps in detail, is equal to square root of 4 because we multiply 2 and 2. Now in the next step, we can distribute the square root 2 in the numerator into the parentheses. So we'll multiply each term in the parentheses by square root of 2. Now in the denominator, when I multiply the square root of 2 by square root of 2, I do not multiply the square root of 2 by the whole part, I multiply it by the radical part because both of these terms have the radical on them. So that's why I'm able to multiply the numbers under the square root or the radical. So in the numerator, we get 3 square root of 10. So we multiply 5 and 2. And the 3 stays the same. And then in the other term, we get square root of 4. So 2 times 2 is 4. Over, in the denominator, square root of 4 can be reduced to just 2. So we get 2 times 2. Now in the next step, we can simplify the numerator expression. The square root of 4 is equal to 2. So we can rewrite the numerator expression as 3 square root 10 minus 2 over 4. Now we cannot simplify this expression any further because square root of 10 cannot be simplified. 10 is made up of two prime numbers 2 and 5. So that's why we cannot simplify square root of 10. And in the denominator, we have gotten rid of the square root or the radical. So that's why this should be the final answer for rationalizing the denominator of the given fraction. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.